Hakani kejingalang lawan banishim benta do menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma u deputy speaker ke yang dorbar tauan kejelau Timothy Dishira kisembut menteri rang ba kejelau berkentup iu ba presiden Tensong baru ba senyau palang dhar ki MLA ke berkentup iu ba Charles Pengro ba la kemen rumbui baru ba Bantai Dorlengdo chief secretary kejelau ba DP Walang bat ki he officer sarkar. Hadin balawai kejingelang Thomas E Sangma ula pentep bagajing bu thong ban pendep agi yang dorbar ke betemai la penjelan biang da kejing temu banyo ban pliano eka shwa ban penlong ya ke dorbar senrai hagas nambanwan. Kejingiat kikam kijam haduk menta kalong ke besnguhun rai la peniat suki bat pikir bah namar kajing tai kalong ke bekerpang ya ke dom ha ke main hall bat kamlong ban lek kerki bat ban mi biang kajing ja ke besngusi sa shisien. Ulampang jong yang dorbar tawai ulapan pawa brush kata keladan ya kejing kermen bani open long ya ke dorbar mang tengka hak ne yang dorbar tawan ke betemai nri mentala penjelan biang ya kepor balabo ya ketong baya ke project on pendap ban pli haswa jong ke dorbar senrai ke senam banwan. Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan pawa kejing don kam bandon ya kerukom terikam ke belapan kreab ha da ke bapai kemat syakejing ja ke belaja ha kepor badang tei. Baru ulang baka high power committee kela menjer ban penjelan sa shispa sengi. Pada kini ke project on pendap shua ke dorbar senrai ke senam Arhajar Arpusan.
We are all very satisfied with the progress of the work. Of course, there are challenges. We had a certain mishap that took place a couple of years back. And therefore, as mentioned by the Honorable Speaker, we want to be very sure that we don't rush into anything. The engineers of the PWD department, the PMC, the contractors have met on multiple occasions to ensure that every minute detail is looked into. And therefore, they have urged that they should not rush into the construction. And rushing things could obviously complicate things. So therefore, as HPC, we have agreed that we would want it to be done well. And therefore, we have agreed for a few months, about 100 days extension, which will then, of course, not make it possible for us to have the budget session as we had envisaged and wanted. So we are hopeful that we should be able to have the autumn session of 2025 here. But overall, as I said, the work is going well. The dome structure, we have reviewed it again and again. And just to share with everybody that the design of the dome structure has been completely changed from the past. Earlier, the dome was suspended on a platform. But now the dome's main structure will be on the main beams and main foundation. So the pressure will not be on the platform, which was holding the dome, but rather the dome's structure will go and rest on the beams and the foundation, and hence it's going to be a very stable structure. Number two, the earlier dome design and materials used was making the dome structure at a weight of 3,000 metric tons. That's about 3 lakh kgs. Now, after the change in design and material changes, the dome weight has come down from 3,000 metric tons today to 85 metric tons. And hence, not just the design has been changed, but the materials used in the construction are being changed, which is going to make the dome very much more stable compared to what it was before, much lighter also, and design will be much more stable. Many aspects of the longevity of the dome was discussed. How it has to be maintained was discussed, what possible problems could happen, like leakage, rain. All those aspects are being looked into, and obviously only when the construction is complete, the trials will happen. There could be certain small rectifications required, but at large, every aspect from seismic zones, aspect of rain and water, aspect of the design of the dome, all of that have been discussed in detail today in the meeting. It was a very positive meeting, and we got very, very good and satisfactory reply from the PMC and the other engineers who were there in the meeting. And we're thankful to our Honorable Speaker. We will be seeing that this will become a very, very iconic building and structure for us. It will provide a very strong and very long-term infrastructure for the Assembly Secretariat in the long run. And there will be sufficient rooms for members and the office staff and political parties so that this Assembly could really become a very, very vibrant and a productive assembly and provide the necessary space for our legislatures and for the assembly staff to work in a very, very good environment. So we're very happy with the progress, and we are hopeful that with a bit of light, with a few days of extension, we should be able to take care of all the concerns that are being raised and have this assembly ready, hopefully, for the autumn session of 2025.
Earlier decision was that we should have our budget session here, but we're very sorry that we will not be able to have this budget session because there are certain work has to be very done, which are very sensitive, and we cannot just rush and speed up the work. So we have decided that we will have try to have in the next, not in the budget session, but the autumn session will be held here. We will try to finish and inaugurate this building before the budget, autumn session. Yeah, majority is the dome work, but dome work, as you can see, there's a lot of steel structure going and being welded and fixed, so it will take time.